Hi, I'm Larry Berman, and this is what's on my radar this week. Well, it's employment numbers week again, and markets were not surprised. Everything was pretty much in line with expectations, both here in Canada and stateside. But what we did learn from the weekly claims numbers was we saw a huge upshoot in the number of people who are not only getting traditional unemployment insurance, but also getting these special measures. There's still 29 million people in the US on some version of unemployment assistance. And that's, almost 20% of the workforce. We finally saw some of the froth come off the big FANG names this week. And we're getting to the point in the market now where the rationalizing and justifying the valuation here because of low interest rates is just sort of off the charts bizarre. For example, Amazon, if you look at that and its percentage in the XLY ETF is now approaching 50%, and that means Amazon compared to every other retailer in the United States is equal. And maybe that's the future, but certainly bizarre in terms of valuation. You look at a company like Tesla and you take all the other car companies in the world and their market caps combined equal Tesla. So there's some gross imbalances. We will see more correction from this, and the justification of lower interest rates and don't fight the Fed does not support the valuations we're seeing today. We're pretty clear on that point. So in terms of our bear pick of the week, we have a pair trade lined up, and it's important you think of this as a pair trade, not as a one-off. And so for the aggressive investors out there, short-term short on the NASDAQ to create some froth. So whether that's with ZQQ here in Canada, XQQ, QQQs in the US, the idea is shorting the big overvalued tech stocks. And on the other side of that, on the long side, my favorite investment factor, and will be probably for the next few years, is the quality factor. And it's interesting to see what names are in the basket of quality stocks. These are companies, generally speaking, very, very clean balance sheets, good free cash flow, good return on equities, good corporate stewards of their balance sheets. ZUQ is a way to play the basket of good companies who are good corporate stewards. Interestingly enough, of course, Apple and Microsoft fall in that group. So it neutralizes some of that long short. Very important to think about it that way. Have a great week, everybody. And remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the alerts so you know when we have new content out.